rain sounds so peaceful this morning. Rain always makes everything feel new again. A new day, a fresh start. Oh, that smells so good. Good morning. It's raining outside today. Wake up, my little hero. All right, my little ones. Let's get those hands and faces sparkling clean for the day.
It's nice to be all cozy inside while the rain comes down, isn't it?
Yes, Papa. Can I play with my car a little longer?
Breakfast is ready. Let's enjoy it together.
This is the best part of the day.